Here's what's gonna happen. Stop choosing, start calling. Be so fast that you don't have time to overthink.
Yun, parang fear kapag kapag yung significant money na natataranta na ako.
Principle with you?
Yes.
Okay? If you start a business, there's no guarantee that it will succeed. Tama mali.
Let me change your perspective tonight. You are not a seller. You are a leader.
Very simplified lang lahat ng system and yung pinaka-structure na tinuro ni Coach Migs. This is something na talagang I am really proud na program. Kagad kami ng sales on the spot in just 15 minutes. Nakakatuwa kasi yung mga team ko, they all cooperated. Possible pala na mag-generate ng sales lalo na if lahat kayo is aligned and lahat kayo nagtutulungan na mag-brainstorm paano kayo mas kakaroon ng leads na literal na ready na magbayad on the spot.
You are blocking your own success towards sales. Tama? So, sino dito gusto yumaman? Let me change your perspective tonight. You are not a seller. You are a leader. You don't just convince. You guide them to something that will benefit them. Congratulate yourself. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes because you guys did 3 million!